Alright, mbukele emakhaya njengamanje ke osijoyinayo umqondisi ke wezokuxhumana khona ke laphana kwa-UIF uMr Trevor. Sikubingelele sikwamukele kwiMakhaya TV. Please tell us, how was the relationship that came into success where you were funding Petro Connect into helping students to graduate today?
Okay, so we've had a good relationship so far with Petro Connect. Petro Connect applied for with their proposal to the Unemployment Insurance Fund to participate through a labor activation program. And we partnered with them, and we are happy to say that today 195 learners successfully completed a training program, and as we've heard earlier today, they are also going to be absorbed into employment opportunities now.
Yeah, any challenges that you came across throughout this journey?
We are not aware of any challenges that the learners had, although we know that normally with labor activation programs in general, there are normally some teething problems. It's the same like if you're joining a new training program or a university, there will always be some teething problems. But I think the fact that such a high number of the learners completed the program successfully indicates that there were or might have been challenges, but they are very, very little.
Yeah, maybe do you often fund companies that wish to hand out learnerships to students?
So the labor activation program has been in existence since 2019, and a few years ago we put out a call for proposals, and we are currently going through those programs emanating from that call for proposals, meaning that thousands of people, or thousands of businesses rather, apply to the UIF to participate through labor activation programs, and we are busy completing that cycle now, going through these different programs in all the different provinces. There's many provinces, I mean in the 9 provinces, there are many programs that are being implemented.
Maybe when can other people expect the next cycle to open? Maybe if it's soon enough?
So I'm not really sure when exactly we would be advertising, but I think there is an intention from our side to advertise very, very soon again. I can't commit on the exact date, but I would say that our viewers need to keep their eyes and ears open. We will definitely go through the media to advertise the opportunities very, very soon.
Okay, so can we get your closing remarks regarding today's event?
I think from our side we are very pleased that the learners successfully completed the training opportunity, and we would like to see them use the skills that they obtained through this program, and we would also like to see them become business men and women so that we can support them, and also so that they can create other employment opportunities for our people.
Thank you so much.